tidying up around the house and organizing some Easter decor. It's Tidy Tuesday. Hi, I'm Sharon and my channel is Sharon Chornigal, and this is Tidy Tuesday, and it's a collaboration hosted by Sunday Dawn, and there are many tiny tidiers in this collaboration, and there I will have a list in my comments. All you have to do is click on the blue lettering and you can watch all the other tiny tidiers. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with somebody who might need some motivation too. Okay, in today's Tiny Tidy, I'm just going to do a few little things around my house that I do most days. And then I'm going to start and organize some of my decor. And the first thing I'm going to organize is my Easter. I took down my Easter decor in the last video, and now I want to organize it in the bin. And I'm hoping to make this a series. On every Tuesday, I'm going to challenge myself to do something with my decor items, either the seasonal ones as well as the ones that I use just for regular decor. And I have some ideas spinning around in my head, so here's hoping I can bring them to fruition. Okay, let's get started. As you know, I do like to make my bed. I try and make it every day. Doesn't always happen, but sometimes it does. So we'll just get the bed made. You may as well make it up. Okay. Oh, bedroom's tidied up for the day. Okay, now I'm in my living room. Oop. And I decided to bring this blanket back out. And I'm just going to put it on my chair so I can have it to cuddle with at night, because it's still cool in our country. And I did a bit of laundry, so we'll get that folded up so I can get this stuff put away. Some of it's bedding that I use in the winter. So let's just get this sorted out. Don't know why I have that. I have two of these. I wonder if I got them for Joey. A couple of napkins. Here's a towel that says springtime. I'm gonna say it over that. Here's my cute little kitty rug. Where I'm putting that. Key towels. Well, I'm just folding up these clothes, and I thought I'd just drop in here and welcome all my new subscribers and give a big thank you to my regulars who come out and watch me on a regular basis. Thank you, thank you. And anyone who watches my whole video, I really am appreciating it. because I'm still working on my watch hours. They seem to take quite a while. Anyhow, I hope everyone's having a good day. The sun's still shining here, so we're pretty lucky. And not much else new. My husband has been sick, but he's on the mend now, which is great. Okay, let's get back to getting this laundry folded and put away. This stuff all goes in my linen closet. I'm going to take this to the bedroom. Okay, we're back in the bedroom. And when I lay down, sometimes I like to have a nice cover. And when my bed's made, I don't like to unmake it, to curl it, to get back in it. And it's nice enough now. It's nice now that I'm well enough to not have to go right back to bed to feel like I've rested. That I can just lay down with a nice blanket and a pillow and snooze and feel rested. So that blanket's just going to go right there with that. Blanket's kind of wrinkled. It will unwrinkle. There we go. Okay, that's all nice and clean. Now, I'm going to move my coffee table down. Alright, got my blanket on the back of the couch now. The living room is tidied up pretty good. I'm going to go through this bin and I'm going to sort things. You saw me yet. If you watched my video Sunday home reset, you'll see that I just dumped things in here. And that's not how I want to keep them. So I'm going to sort through them and put them in some bags. That's glass. Oh, I'll get a bigger piece of paper towel for that one. And yeah, I could use newspaper, I could use all kinds of things, but I like paper towel because it's clean and I can use it over and over if I choose. So I'm not really wasting it. Okay. Now we'll have an egg cup. And there's my other Easter bunny. They're so cute. Pretty sure. Oh, I got these at the Dollarama for $3. That's a good buy. Those are cute little bunnies. I've had them for a few years now. Now, 2 bunnies, 2 egg cups. And I do have this adorable chicken and hens plate that I'm also going to wrap up and put in there. And I got this at a garage sale. It's from a collection of plates, and it's a Mother's Day, actually. I always put it out at Easter. Reminds me of Easter. Okay, that could go in my little glass bag too. Okay, that's pretty good. I should write on here glass. Glass, well, I think I'll know because they're wrapped. I'm not going to wrap anything but glass. This is just some moss. I'm going to put that in my craft cupboard. Now I have a whole bunch of these eggs that have the grass on them. They're just foam eggs, and they've got like moss on them. And as I told you before, well, I'm gathering up all the eggs with moss on them, and I have quite a few. I bought this wreath thrifting, and it had all the eggs on it, so I bought it, I think it was $5. I took all the eggs off, and I used it for my Easter this year. And so I'm just sorting them, or just putting them in bags, and there was too many for one bag, so then I decided I needed to put them into 2 bags. So I did that. And also in this little slip right here, I'm putting all my colored eggs, my plastic colored eggs, into a bag as well. And I also have eggs with bunny ears, so I'm going to put them into a different bag. And just as I keep going, I keep finding most of these, and we get them all gathered up. And hopefully next year, when I put this stuff away, I'll just take out these bags and put them in their bags. Okay, I'm going to put the egg cups in here. I bought the egg cups to put those bunnies in. Not that I have to. Oops, another moss egg. And I have some little chicks I'm going to put in here too. So there's lots of room. Oh, there's an egg cup. A chick. A chick. Oop, a carrot. Could put the carrots in there. What do I think I need? There's another moss egg. Oh, I could put the little tiny carrots in there. Let's put the little tiny carrots. The bright orange ones. I should change the color of those because I don't like them. Okay, I'm going to okay, these are picks and daffodils. And I think most of this stuff left in here I'm going to put back in my craft room because it's not really Easter oriented. And I can use it on my teacups and stuff. I took this egg off of here for one of the picks. Okay, let's get this stuff in a bag. And then we can take it to the craft room and put it where it belongs. And then this is all cleaned out. Okay. I have this pile of stuff I'm going to put in my bin. And that stuff I'm going to put back in my craft room. This is what I consider like everyday decor. And I'm going to clean out some cupboards in my craft room, and I'm going to put my everyday decor in there so I can see it. So I'm excited about that. Okay, let's get this stuff put in the bin. Alrighty, I think I'll put this down first because it is heavy. And then we'll put all these bags in at the bottom. So nice to have this, just so you can just look in here and pick out the bag you want. And we have a bunny I didn't even use. And the doily. Probably could have went in a bag, but it's fine. A couple of wooden decor things. My tin. I'll just put these on top. And that's good for Easter. So I have room for more stuff. I do have an Easter pillow that I'm going to put in here. Anyhow, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope it gave you some motivation and maybe some ideas on how to store your decor. So this is just the start of this little challenge that I gave myself. It's not little, it's big, because when I show you downstairs here, it's a lot of work. It's going to be a lot of work, but it's going to be a lot of work that's worth it to get the stuff organized and labeled in bins. And then all I have to do is take the bin down and say, yeah, I'll put this up. Nope, don't want that. Anyhow, thanks again, Sunday Dawn, for hosting this collaboration every week for the last 3 years, I believe it's been. Or maybe it's 4. Anyhow, correct me on that if I got it wrong. And don't forget to watch all the other Tiny Tidiers. And that'll be in my comments. So click on them and say hello. Say hello, Sharon sent me over. Also, thank you again for watching. And my next video is Thursday, Fairy Gardens. So DIY Fairy Garden Thursday. So we'll see you then. Bye.